Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, a person walks into an elevator, steps onto a scale and pushes the up button, and the weight of the person is given. For the first part, we have to find out the scale reading if the elevator has acceleration of magnitude 2.50 meter per second square. So the forces acting on the person are the normal force by the scale and weight mg in the downward direction, and the acceleration will be upward, so we will take the upward direction as positive and we will write the equation of motion. So the net force will be normal force minus weight, and this is equal to mass times acceleration. So the normal force is mg plus a. Now weight is equal to mg, so mass will be equal to weight upon g. So this is weight upon g. Now weight is 625 Newton. Acceleration is 2.50. So we get the normal force by the scale 784 Newton. So this will be the scale reading. And for the second part, the person holds a package by a light string, and we have to find out the tension in the string once the elevator begins accelerating. So on the package, the forces acting are tension T in the string in the upward direction, weight mg of the package in the downward direction, and acceleration will be upward. So the equation of motion for the package will be T minus mg, and this is the net force. Net force is mass times acceleration. So tension in the string is mg plus a. Mass is 3.85 kilogram, g is 9.8, and acceleration is 2.50. So we get the tension 47.4 Newton. This is the required solution. Thank you.